Houston, we have a problem. Find out in today's episode of Opposing Cylinders what we screwed up and what we need to do to fix it. Coming at you. Well, we reached our destination today, and the car in question is our daily driver. Now, we drive a Malibu, we put the miles on it and everything, and this is what we found the other day. We're going to show you real quick and what we have to get fixed today. So let me show you. When we look at the wheel, we see the wheel is completely cracked. So it is coming apart, and these wheels need to be replaced. So we're actually here today at Fat Boys Wheels, Tires, and Service in Dayton, Ohio. So Fat Boys, let's take a look inside. We'll show you inside. They do a whole bunch of wheels, and we are hoping that our new wheels are in today, but let's just take a look. We're outside. So let's walk inside Fat Boys. Let's see if our wheels are here, and let's get them swapped. Well, we're inside Fat Boys now, getting ready to fix up the Malibu. So let's take a quick walk around, show you the car before, and we'll show you after here soon. So we're gonna place these wheels where it is cracked. Again, you see the crack all in here. It's coming apart, this whole thing. So it could not be welded or fixed, and we could not find another one of these wheels anywhere. And I can actually see, I don't know if you can see this, it is actually bent here as well. So the rim is cracked and it is bent. So who knows if any of these other wheels are actually bent as well. Hopefully the new wheels do not get bent and we don't have a problem. So we're replacing the silver wheels that are on the Malibu now. We're going to show you real quick what is going on. So there wasn't much of an option with this bolt pattern on this, so Fat Boys kind of hooked us up with some of the wheels, and we decided to go black to kind of match the darker blue paint and the blacked out windows, the black interior. So let's show you real quick what's going on. So we have these wheels going on. It'll be interesting to see how it changes the look with these, and they are 20s, so we'll be going on here soon. We'll show you what it looks like. So getting it in the air here, getting ready to pull some wheels, start the progress. Maybe we should ceramic coat this car again. Has a little bit of a wax on it, but I probably need to buff it again and do a little ceramic coat. I really haven't done that since it's a daily driver. I have not stayed on top of it. We tend just to abuse this one, and that's why the wheel got messed up, because we abused it. Look a lot different. What is it that you have to do? What's the, where are you checking out?
Make sure your valve's cleaned up, hit your knuckle.
Okay. So on the inside?
Yeah.
Well, it's all the way in there, isn't it?
Your sensor has to go through the back.
How many sets of wheels do you guys do a day, do you think?
I don't know, Zach, what do you think?
Today, we're about 5 to 10 sets of wheels.
So those are all for today.
Yes, these are all for today, plus we already had the other set go on that Jaguar.
Wow.
He's still young.
Is it hitting? Nope, good.
My ring's hitting it, but yeah, we're good.
Good.
All right, what we got?
Oh. Yeah, breeze.
guys are making quick work here. Already got all the wheels off, and one wheel getting ready to get balanced. Should be in and out pretty quick. Give you another quick glimpse into one of the other sections, part of the building here at Fat Boys in Dayton, Ohio as well. Looks like they have a lot of different stuff in here. They have a big truck with green wheels coming on. This looks like it's all lifted. Jaguar just got new wheels as well. So they do a whole bunch of different stuff here. Look them up. We'll tag them in the comments below. But a lot of wheels, tires, and more here in Dayton, Ohio, Fat Boys.
Down on this side. Side going out.
So used to the shiny stuff, it's gonna be weird with black. Maybe once it's all done.
Oh yeah.
So we are going to put black lug nuts on this. Right now, we're just putting the chrome ones back on, but we're going to have the black, and then you guys are, tell us again what you guys are going to do with the sensors.
So we're going to actually relearn for the vehicle so they can see what position they're supposed to be in.
Yep.
This vehicle will tell you right front, left, rear, whatever. So when we get to that point, we can actually show you how to do it. You have to have a scan tool to do it, but we still kind of show you how it works.
Cool. So we got all the sensors all hooked up and just topping it off with air. The car is on the ground now. Comment below, what do you think about the black wheels? You saw the silver wheels on there. Obviously we could not go back to those. Totally different look with the black wheels. It's kind of grown on me already. So it's just a 2017 Malibu, and it does have, we kind of looked at it, aftermarket springs. It has the wheels, it has an intake on it, the tinted windows, but for a daily driver, 30 miles to gallon, not bad. But thanks again to Fat Boys here in Dayton, Ohio, for hooking us up with these wheels and getting them on today so we can drive the car. Well, that is a wrap here at Fat Boys. We were kind of in and out really in a couple hours with everything said and done. But again, thanks to them for allowing me to film today. We did get the new wheels on. We got everything fixed. Let's go drive the car, and hopefully it handles a lot better because we were noticing some vibration with that cracked wheel. So thanks a lot. Check them out. We'll tag them in the comments below.